How to reset your password safely in Zoho. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password safely on Zoho Mail. If you're logged out of your account or worried your password might be compromised, then don't panic. Forgetting passwords happen to the best of us, and sometimes we just need a fresh start for security reasons. So in order to recover your password or reset your password, first of all, launch open the Zoho Mail app and make sure that you tap on the sign in button. On the next page, you'll be required to enter your credentials to log into your account. Go ahead and enter your email or your mobile number in the text box. Right after you do that, click Next, and you'll be required to enter your password. If you don't remember your password, tap on the Forgot Password link underneath the password text box and follow through the instructions. You'll need to complete the CAPTCHA, and once it is verified, enter the last password you remember with this Zoho account, or if you don't remember at all, click on Continue to reset password. Now enter the mobile number associated with your Zoho Mail account whenever prompted and click on Send OTP. You'll then receive a one-time password sent to your phone number via SMS. Type in the code as soon as you receive it. Now, you can enter a new password you want to change to for Zoho Mail. After typing it down, go to the next field and re-enter the new password once again. And finally, click Change Password. Soon after you do that, you can then tap on Continue Sign In. And then, next time while logging in, enter your newly updated password to get access to your account again. So that is how you easily recover your account or reset your Zoho Mail account's password. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.